Very good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of God. So, this is your Environmental Studies class, EVS class, and first of all, I want to introduce myself. I am Meenakshi Rautela and I teach you EVS, Environmental Studies. So, students, do you know what is environment? Environment is the surrounding in which we live. Okay, uh, the surrounding around us, and in this subject we learn about the things that are around us, about the plants, the animals, and the things that we see around us. Okay, they may be man-made or they may be natural things. So today we are not going to start any new lesson in this class, but we are going to revise those things or memorize those things that our elders, our parents and our teachers always want us to do. Do you know what are these things? Yes, they want us to be a good child. Yes or no? Yes, your parent wants you to be a good child. And what they want? They want you to follow the good manners and good habits. So, in this lesson, in this class, we are going to learn some good manners and good habits. Okay? So, let's start. So in this picture you can see here children are exchanging gifts. The girl is presenting a gift to the other girl and the one who is getting the gift is saying thank you. Means when you get something from someone you must say thank you, and when other time we must say thank you. You can see here a boy is helping the girl in picking up the papers and girl is saying thank you. That means whenever someone helps you, you must say thank you. Okay, here you can see here the girl is saying sorry to the boy as she has made her trousers dirty or by mistake. So when you do a mistake, always say sorry. What you will say? Sorry. Here you can see the girl who is hurt, she is crying, and the girl who has hurt this girl, she is saying sorry. Means when you hurt someone, always say sorry. Next, the golden word is please. Means when you will say please. So when we ask for something or we want someone to do something for us, we must say please. Okay, what we must say? We must say please when we want any help from someone or we want someone something from someone, we must say please. Next is the greetings. How to greet others. So students, when we meet our friends or our fellow ones, we say hello, and also we shake our hands with our friends. Okay, and when we meet our elders in the morning, we say good morning. In the afternoon, we say good afternoon. In the evening, we say good evening. So these are the words which are called time wish. Okay, as the time, according to the time you wish to your elders. Okay, and when you meet your elder ones, you must say or you can also say namaste. Namaste. Okay, do you wish namaste or do you say namaste to your elders, your grandparents, your parents, when or your uncle, aunts, your neighborhood, the people who live in your neighborhood? You must say namaste to your elders. Okay, So students, we are going to read our book also. Okay, so take out your book at your page number 40, good manners and good habits. Okay, so read it first. Hello, I am Joel. I study in class first B. Here he is saying, my parents help me get ready for school. Here in the picture you can see here, his mommy and papa are helping him to get ready to school. And he is saying, thank you ma and papa. The next picture, I am sorry Koel. Koel is his sister. And this is my sister Koel. I lost her pencil. So Joel has made mistake and he is saying sorry to his sister. Please get me two pencils. He is saying to his grandparents to get him two pencils. Okay, my grandparents are going to the market. Oh, someone has come to visit him. My uncle and aunt have come to visit us from Delhi. And what Joel saying? He is saying Namaste. He is saying Namaste. So whenever someone comes to meet you or you meet someone who is elder, always say Namaste. So students, here we are going to learn about some good habits. Let us read it also. This is our pet dog, Spot. I give him milk every day. He wags his tail as if to say thank you. You are welcome, Spot. I love you. So students, always love the animals. Okay, what you see, what you learn from here, that we should always love the animals. In this picture, you can see Joel and Koel are helping their parents. We help our parents keep the house clean. So, always help your parents. In this picture, Joel and Koel are watering the plants with the leftover water in their water bottles. So, do not waste water and always water the plants. Here you can see Joel and Koel both are throwing the waste in the dustbin. So never throw the waste. Here and there, always use dustbins. Here both the kids are sharing their things with each other. And it's a very good habit, students, to share your things with others. Okay, sharing is a good habit. So students, do you share your things with others? If not, start doing it from today. Okay, as it is a good habit. So students, we learned some good manners and good habits today that should be followed in our daily life. I hope you will follow these good habits and also good manners and be a good child. Okay, so we end up here today. Keep studying. All the best.